Hello, and welcome to Thursday. All right, so today we are going to cover a new app platform, and it should be fun. All right, so we are going to develop characterization based on sensory and emotional recall today. We are going to prove that we did that by posting on our theater bingo Padlet and identifying the characteristics about ourselves. As always, we have our camera turned on, our mute turned, so we're muted. And in the chat, I was asking today if we could have emojis representing the way you learn. So if you're a visual learner, that would be the little eyes. Auditory, little ears. Kinesthetic, the little running guy. That means you like to physically do stuff. And then just, if you like to just read about it and then do it, what is that? It has a name, I don't remember. But if you like to just read it and then do it, then that's the little book one. If you aren't with us in the Zoom today, please feel free to add your answer to that question on the check-in. All right. Padlet. So today we're going to talk about Padlet. Logging in, tiles, answering it, improv games, and the emotional support circle. So if you visit asynchronous videos will be posted as always. So let's go to the home page. All right, so now we're on the home page. We're going to go down to assignments. And we're going to click on Thursday. And there is a button that says Padlet. So this is the instructions for what we're doing on the Padlet this day. And then an example of what it should look like. So when I click on Padlet, it is going to automatically log me in. Now, this is the Get to Know You Bingo. This is what we're doing today. And next week when we do it, we're going to be using a different Padlet. And so I'm going to show you what that would look like. So as you can see, there are different categories of questions all the way across. And whichever one applies to you is the one I want you to fill out. So I have cats, so I replied. So let me show you on this one what that's going to look like for you. So you're going to click the plus button. If your name is not here, that means you have not logged in. All you have to do to fix that is to make an account. It's free. So you can just go to padlet.com and make an account the same way you would make any other account. Same way you did like Instagram and Snapchat. You just fill it out, put your email. Again, I think you can put the school email because I don't think you have to verify the account. I'm pretty sure you don't have to verify it. So make sure your name is here. And then you're going to put a title. This is going to be important when we get to Friday's lesson. Because on Friday, I'm going to show you one other thing we use Padlets for, and that will 100% need a title. So maybe since I am answering I have another type of animal, I'm going to write birds. I don't actually have birds. This is just an example. And then in the chat part, I'm going to say I have a blue macaw named Phil. And that's all I have to write. Okay, now I'm going to hit delete because I don't actually have that bird. But for you, you're just going to click away and it will save it. I am going to, however, delete it. So if you've got a dog, post on dog, cat, post on cat, whatever you have. And then you can like other people's. Favorite colors, red, blue, other colors. We're having a red, blue off. If you have any siblings, what color are your eyes? And a fun fact about you. Now, I have two other Padlets. These two are Padlets that we will be using. Most of the time on Thursdays, this is the Padlet we will be using. And this is where we will post improv games. Mostly we're going to play the game 5 Things. And the first time we're going to do it is next week. So it's already on here and it has an example. Every week I'm going to add a column. So you'll see this is the date, 5 things. This is what it is. I'll add a column. It'll have the next date and the next one. And all you do to reply is you hit the plus and it'll reply. The emotional support Padlet is here in case you need support. And you see you're not the first people to have ever posted on it. It's there in case you need somebody to talk to. And I will talk more about that one on Friday. All right, I believe that's all about Padlet. That is the assignment for today. You're going to go to Padlet. You're going to create an account. You're going to post on the theater bingo, answering all the questions. And that, I believe, is what your Improv Thursday is going to be. I hope this was informative, and I will see y'all later. Bye.